Yo, what's up guys, welcome here to another video. And today's video we will be finishing up the our CNC machine build, that's what I mean. And we left it where we just installed the lead screws and the beds for the axis, all the axis, I mean the y-axis, the x-axis and the z-axis, I mean the z-axis. So after finishing all that, we are left with just only one thing: configure the electronics, and that's what we'll do in today's video, and we will test it finally. So guys, before I finish up, if you're very new to the channel, click that subscribe button, like, share my project with your friends, and God will bless you. Thank you very much. So in today's video, I'm happy that it is working. You can see it moving slowly because the feed rates were very slow. So yeah, but the next time I will try the cable management. By next time it will be very complete. So in today's video it's working after configuring all the electronics and the control board, the Arduino Uno, this one with the vidoes shield. This is the board I've just used, this one. You can see it, yeah, Arduino. So guys, as I've told you, we will use the Arduino Uno board. This is the Arduino I'm talking about, this board. And when we use this board is the one we're gonna be using to control our CNC machine. I know most of the people have come with this board, have come just across this board. So let me just undo it. This is the Arduino Uno board, this one with the vidoes shield. This one have short circuited the parts for resolution. So, and already installed the 3 drivers. So I will just cable up everything as we watch. So guys, stay tuned. So what you need is our cables with the stepper motor connectors, these ones, and the other end, this kind. So these ones. So guys, what you need to do is just plug them in. Let me start this one. Oh, let me with some you can view. So just add them, these ones, for the y-axis, and I will have this one for the x-axis. This one I've extended, this one I've just extended it, and I have some jack pins. So, and I had this one still here, so easy. And with the other one, so yep. And I will have this one for the z-axis, like that. Let me turn it up so that I can show you the other one and the final one. So I will connect the two in parallel. I want to try the series connection, but after reading something, all I got that it loses torque when the speed increases. So I did want to test it though, but I will test it later because that was not the intention of the video. So I've connected them just in parallel. I will maintain everything. So, but in series connection, the torque is very high, but it reduces as the speed increases. Hope you got me, right? Yeah. You will understand things better when you come into calculations of torque and motors. Torque in motors. Yeah. So these are my cables. These ones. So I don't want to connect them. This one is the two. This one I'm gonna connect them parallel. It's parallel connection. So I will have the z-axis and the x-axis. These two. So you just connect them in the z-axis x and z-axis respectively. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is z-axis. So it's z-axis. So z-axis. So I've just connected them, and if I find that the motors are rotating the opposite direction, I'll just flip the connection here and it will connect and move to the correct direction. So it's not a hard thing to do. Just like that. So I will have the one for the y-axis, and I have the series the parallel connection. So let me do that, and I will solder it offline. So off camera, that's what I need, off camera. So guys, just a moment, I'm coming. So guys, you can see I'm in the series connector, this one. From this PCB. So yeah, let's keep going. And now after installing it this way, the other stepper motors will fit here, two of them. So let me show you. Something like this. Hope you can see it. Hope it's visible. Something like that. So the remaining part is to, I don't know what I'll do. So let me take my PC and bring it near me so we can test it. Yeah. So to configure everything, so this is what I will do. I will connect the Arduino Uno. You see this cable part. So cable, connect it to your PC like that, and connect it to the USB ports. I'm open up the PC. There we go. Connect it. Yeah, and the Arduino will be blinking. I don't know whether it's very visible up to there, but there's no problem. I will show you what I'll be doing. So I will head to Arduino Uno. You need to download the, so after you have connected it to the computer, you need to download after uploading the GRBL library. Then I will need to connect the board to the power supply, and so that the motors will be able to run. So we test the motions and the gantry, and after that we'll engrave something. So let's keep going. and the sound. So you'll connect the positive terminal to the, so that's what I'm doing right now. Positive to positive. So for now, we test the motions. Are they moving to the correct direction, or yeah, or something else? So that's what we'll do right now. That's it. It was up right now. I have a lot of cables here, so some of them are higher places. So you'll be thinking. Yeah. So that the fan will be just moving outside and things will overheat. So we connect our so let me see. When I press the X plus direction, I think the motor has to be moving this way, and when I press the X negative direction, it should be moving the other direction. So we will look the X-axis direction. Let me turn it to your direction for your view. I have a lot of shit here on the table. It's moving on the opposite direction. I press the first direction, it should be moving to me, but it's moving away from me. You can see. Let me add the more video so you can see now. And it's visible. And turn it where? Completely. Look at that. What's up, man? What's up, man? Okay, my link. Somewhere. Okay, let's see. Hope it's visible, guys. I don't know what, unless I forward it and I increase the speed, okay? Z-axis, when I press plus button, should go up, and when I press the minus button, should go down. So let's see. So I'm turning it like this, so that you'll see the difference of the y-axis. Y-axis. You can see it's moving. Almost there. I'm trying to home it. There we go. Yeah, it's working. You can see it's moving to the home direction here, and at that corner, this corner here. So